Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Rezky Imtania. I'm from class D. Today we are going to make the most delicious and creamiest spaghetti you ever taste. The recipe is super easy to follow and will give you a restaurant quality pasta right at home. But before that, let's dive into the ingredients. So this is all the ingredients that we need. First thing first, spaghetti of course. And then we have some milk, creamer, onion, garlic, oregano. And we have to use cheese today. I'm using cheddar cheese and some flour and butter. And for the seasoning, we have mushroom broth, white pepper, nutmeg, and salt of course. And for the topping, I use sausage. Actually, you can change it whatever you like, whatever you have. But today I only have this one, so I use this one. Okay, so that's all that we need. So I want to chop the garlic and the onion. So we put it aside, chop the onion, and then cut the sausage. We have some garlic, sausage, and onion. And then we have to boil the water to cook the spaghetti. After the water is already boiled, put some spaghetti. And then we boil until 7 and 8 minutes. If the spaghetti is already cooked, we have to drain it first. And then we make the sauce. So the next step is we have to saute the onion, garlic, and sausage. Saute the sausage, garlic, and onion until the aroma comes up. And then put it in a plate. And then we make the white sauce. For the white sauce, we have to make the roux first. We use some butter. And we put the flour. After we make the roux like this, then add the milk gradually so it does not curdle. It should be look like this, and then we cook until it's boiling. If the sauce is already thick like this, you can put the cheese. We stir until it's melt. And then if the cheese is already melt,